check this one out.
It's a little noisy.
You can hear that one, right? Look at this one, though.
Did they put it back in backwards?
I don't know.
Well, that bearing was solid, isn't it?
We'll have to pull it off, make sure all the spacers and stuff are in there, but that one definitely needs a bearing because it's...
Yeah.
But then this one's
You can see the
tight.
sparkly on here where it's been. See that? It's like sparkly.
Yeah.
Or when you're watching it, A, it has to do with sports, and B,
There will be a day where it's just part of the storyline, and that's what I'm working on.
Someone got a little bit too close to nature. By Anajar and Levine, Accident Attorney. But even if it's
Apart. Like it's not just a little tab.
no matter what you might have been.
Nice.
57 it is right now, so it is 7:10. And don't forget the hoodie, they are in stock. We have a limited amount left. Once these are gone, they are gone because they take up a ton of room.
How do we respond to lowball offers from insurance companies?
When you're in that moment, you can be devastated and hit your rock bottom. 813-280-0850 for more information. It looks like that, but not all that water. People that go out there making a air classic.
But no seats there, huh?
No, because it would be really tough, I guess, to. my house, believe it or not, probably the most shy one about it is my son. He's very reserved. That's fun. That's fun. That is not what this is. Okay. So in the new year, I've become a...
He said it's $60,000.
That's not bad.
Does it come with like a new tie bar or anything? Okay, good.
No, it comes with a new preload.
Oh, a new prelude.
This is pretty common. Always check the seal in your gas cap and use an OEM gas cap. It's the only one we found works. So customer complained of the fan motor making a noise. Sounded like there was a leaf stuck in there. Well, I took it apart and I did find a couple of leaves in there, but put it back together, it still made the noise at different load levels. Lower load level made more noise. So the only way to fix it, just replace the whole thing with a nice low mileage piece.
That's a full. That's got no noise down there.
Yeah, perfect. That's a 67,000 mile motor. So the customer asked about lowering the mirror right here, but based on some research, a couple of people said you remove that pad, you could break the windshield. They wanted it removing and dropping half an inch. So we don't want to do that. So I think we're gonna pass on that with the risk of damaging the customer's car. Other than that, this car is done. Interior looks nicer. Those work correctly. I'll show you what it looks like under the hood. Check out the LHT store at lhtperformance.com. We have the shifter kits back in stock, the oil change kits, the phone holders, the cup holders, the phone charging kits, as well as the bleeder funnels will be back in stock by the time you see this video. Coming soon, the new LHT pressure washer will be back with 2 pump options. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, enjoy your cars.